In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple elements on Wix Studio. If you're editing a site and want to move, align, or manage several items at the same time, knowing how to select multiple elements can save you a lot of time. Wix Studio gives you a couple of simple ways to do this. And once you get used to them, your workflow becomes much faster and smoother. To begin, open your site in Wix Studio and go to the section where the elements you want to work with are located. Make sure you can clearly see the items you want to select, since that will help you avoid clicking the wrong thing. The first method is great when you want to choose specific elements one by one. Start by clicking the first element you want to include in your selection. After that, hold down the Shift key if you're using a PC or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While continuing to hold that key, click the remaining elements one at a time. This allows you to build a custom selection without losing the first item you clicked. As you select each element, look for the blue highlight that shows the item has been added to your selection. This visual confirmation is helpful, especially when you're working with multiple layers or several objects close together. Once all the elements you want are highlighted in blue, you can release the key. At that point, your items are selected together and ready for whatever action you want to take next. Now let's look at the click and drag method. This is usually the fastest option when the elements you want to select are grouped in the same area of the page. Instead of clicking items individually, start by clicking an empty space near the elements you want to include. Then hold down your mouse button and drag a box over the items. Make sure the box completely covers all the elements you want to select. If an item falls outside the box, it may not be included. When you've covered everything you need, release the mouse button. All elements inside the bounding box should become highlighted, showing that they're now selected. This method is especially useful for quickly grabbing a cluster of items, like text, images, buttons, or shapes placed close together. A helpful tip is to zoom in a little if your elements are small or tightly packed. That can make your selection more accurate and reduce mistakes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.